In this video I am going to show you how to do independent sample t-test using Excel. It's a easy thing. You have to uh, give your patience 2 or 3 minutes, and I'm showing you. First of all, here I can see that the bank balance of male people and the bank balance of female people. So here I want to find out that is there any significant difference in male bank balance or the female bank balance. So it's our hypothesis. So our null hypothesis, there is no difference between male or female bank balance, and the alternative hypothesis is that there is a significant difference between male and female bank balance. So it's our hypothesis. So here we have already the data, bank balance of male and the bank balance of female. So I'm going data tab, then data analysis options, and here I have to select t-test to sample assuming equal variance, and I'm selecting it, and then I have select the data variable 1 range, because here I have to select the bank balance of male people. So the last value is 194, 194. Then I have to select bank balance of female people. Here last value is 208. Okay, so I have to select 208, and there is no hypothesis mean there is no difference, 0. And levels means column name. The alpha levels is 0.05, and sometimes so we can see 95% confidence intervals. It means that alpha level is 0.05. Whenever you can see the 99% confidence interval, it means alpha level 0.01. When you can see 90% significance levels, it means that alpha level 0.10. Here I have to select the output range where I actually want to show my result. So I am selecting the options, and okay, you can select a new workbook, new worksheet, no problem. So I'm selecting this worksheet, no problem. Okay, then it's the output thing, and here our concerning thing is that mean value and p value to tell. So before interpreting the result, I am making 4 decimal place output. Okay, here our concerning value is p value, mean value. So mean value we can highlight. So we can see that male bank balance is 509.8031, and the female bank balance is 529.5362. So our hypothesis was that is there any significance difference or not. When the p value is less than 0.05, we can conclude that there is a significant difference between the bank balance of male and female. So in this situation, we can see our p value is 0.668785. It means that there is no significant difference between male bank balance and female bank balance. Okay, that's it. You can try it, and you can subscribe my channel to know further tips and tricks how to do statistical data analysis using Excel, SPSS, Minitab, and R programming. So I will upload one by one video, no problem. Thank you everyone.